Hello everybody, here I am again and I'm approaching the Triengen airport to perform some touch and goes, and basically I'm going to be directed to the sector east to proceed overhead, and you are going to see how many things is going to happen. Here I'm entering the right-hand base for runway 15. As you see, it is a little bit, you need really to make a steep turn there in order for you to come exact on the runway 15. And basically this is the right high, since on the left side is the city of Triengen, and it is better that you don't fly close to the houses. Here you need to adapt the speed because this is a short field, and definitely you need to assure that the gear is down and the undercarriage, the mixtures, everything in, the flaps are adequate, and here is definitely you have to control the speed, which in this case is not really the appropriate speed for landing, but there will be a touch and go, so if I let it go like this. You need immediately to take the 10 degrees flaps and put the aeroplane full power, and then as you are secured you need to retract the gear and proceed forward with all the climb checkups. And there we are again on the runway 15 for another landing. As you see, it's the same attitude, and definitely you need to take care of the wind, the finals, and of course today it's a very nice day, so you should not have any problem with sand winds, side winds, or something other problematic, but definitely you need to take care, because you need to take care of the wind that creates these buildings on the left side, in case there is somehow an offload. And here I am requested a no power landing, and this is very often that you need to train just for the purpose in case you lose your engine, and this is a good point that you calculate what is the best altitude to make a no power landing. As you see, you need to see the wind. It is a beautiful day to perform no power landing. There is no wind, so you can calculate exact the distance that you need to go to the airport. And actually I did not use the throttle at all for corrections. And as you see, the aeroplanes and basically Cessnas, they have a very good gliding rate. So in this case, with a very good speed, I almost bring it to the runway, and then I execute a slowly short field flare, and then full throttle, and we go back again. And here we go for a zero flap landing. That means an exercise where you don't have at all flaps. And we will try basically to side slip the Cessna. And I'm again on the base for the runway 15. And as you see, I have the right speed. There are many comments on the internet and from pilots that you should not side slip the Cessna with full flaps and all this. But I noticed that there's no any problem, basically. I did not find any problem other that the side slip is influencing the elevator. As you see here, I'm slowly side slip, and in this case I'm doing this to lose high, and then as soon as I am at the right altitude, I'm ready to flare for a short field landing, the right corrections, two hands, and the same thing. One more time, full throttle, check the instruments, that everything is okay. Of course, you need to retreat the flaps, and this is a very, very important thing, that you don't need to take off with full flaps, because this is very bad if you are fully loaded. And here I am again at the finals for the 1.5, and this time I will perform a full stop, which means I will keep the speed Normally you should have a speed of 70 knots, stable, and then a little bit of side slip, do some corrections. And this is the point with this airport. This is a short field, and you need to be stable, control the speed. No way to land on this airport with high speed on the flare, because you will go out at the end of the runway, and in this case you see that stable, slowly, you need to control, you need to perform the last check that everything is okay. You should not land without gear down in this aeroplane, flare slowly. And then this is a beautiful thing for this aeroplane. You don't need a big length of runway. In this case there is a grass taxiway where I used him to go to the taxiway. And here I'm taxiing on the parking, and I would like to thank you once more that you follow till the end, and I will be very glad if you subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.